Here I am. I'm a lead going into your funnel. Now I have an AI SMS appointment setter. It's going to reach out to me in 10 seconds. If you want to double your sales, you need this free AI SMS appointment setter. The first message just came in. Now it's going to text me, qualify me, get me engaged with the offer, and book me onto the calendar. So this is a live demo. And you're welcome to download this free AI SMS appointment center. It works with N8N and Go High Level. Here's a transcript too of what I'm saying to it, what it's saying to me. It responds in seconds. You have two problems when you're trying to get leads onto sales calls. Number one, you're not getting to them fast enough. My AI appointment setter solves this problem for you. So you're going to double your sales. Number two, you don't stay on your leads long enough for them to convert and get on sales calls. You give up on them because it's tedious and boring to just follow up with these leads relentlessly. My AI appointment setter makes this ghost proof, so leads can't ghost you. If you want to double your sales, all you need is this free AI SMS appointment setter, because nothing else has to change. You can have the same number of leads, your same closing rate on your sales calls, but if you get twice as many people, at a bare minimum, up to 4 times as many people on the sales calls, you will at least minimum double your sales and at most quadruple your sales. It's just that simple. It's pure math. It's undeniable. It's just that easy. The system works perfectly every time. It's instant lead response. It takes literally seconds to respond back to the lead. It answers their questions. It handles objections. It qualifies them with targeted questions. It gets them excited about your offer. It gets to them immediately, and then it books them right onto your calendar, as you'll see. It's always open. It's never closed. It works 24/7. This follows up with the leads relentlessly until they buy, die, or opt out. It's just that simple. It sounds like a human. It's indistinguishable from a human. It texts like a human. Everybody is attached to their phones. They're opening it. The deliverability is astronomical with AI text. Everybody's checking their phones. This gets to leads immediately and nurtures them and books them at calls. You can have this for free. Here it is. The system's asking me what time I want to do the call. It found I was qualified. It tells me I'm a great fit. I'm saying 10 a.m. tomorrow. It's going to book the call. There's my calendar. It's going to show right up. Now I've got the dates. Then it's going to send me email and text confirmation of the call so I can jump on the call as the lead. My email inbox is on the left, and now I just got text to the Zoom links. I'm locked and loaded. I'm good to go. Here are the emails confirming it. So I'm all set. You can download this free AI SMS appointment setter right now. All right, so that is my free AI appointment setter, guaranteed to double, if not quadruple, your sales by getting 2 to 4 times more people on your sales calls. Now, if you want this, here's all you got to do. Download it for free in my Skool group. The link is in the video description. You can download it for free. You get a cheat sheet. You get the Go High Level snapshot. You can install it yourself. You can be up and running. But if you want to skip all that and you just want this to be instantly handled by myself, where I will customize it, I will integrate it, I will test it, I will train it, I will really dial it into your use case and get it firing on all cylinders. If you want to skip the hassle and frustration of doing it yourself, book a call with me and we'll talk about what that would look like for your business. In fact, I will even install it for free, and you only pay after you get results. If you don't get results, you never pay anything. I will not ask for a credit card up front. So if that's exciting to you and if that appeals to you, book a call on my website. The link to book a call is in the video description here. So no matter what, get yourself an AI SMS appointment setter so you can double to quadruple your booked calls and consequently your revenue.